You were earlier mentioning, about parental consent for
Yes.
targeted advertising. So, if a 15-year-old or a 16-year-old is accessing social media in an ethical way, and also depending on what social media platform he or she is using, he or she may receive targeted advertising, which will be relevant to that age group. So, in this case, how will consent work?
No, that's an interesting question. So, what we are really saying is that a parent has given consent for a 15-year-old to access the platform, right? So, we are going on that basis.
So we are
And
assuming,
now, correct,
right?
we are assuming that.
Yeah,
And now the platform knows that that person is a child,
right.
correct? And that is exactly what I was saying, that when you say that there should not be targeted advertising, but at the same time there is a provision that you will not process the data which is harm for the, which is harming the children. So that means indirectly I'll have to ensure that the suggested content is not
Yeah.
harmful to that child. So that means I'll
Yes.
have to anyway do, some targeted, say whether it is advertising or even to some extent monitor the behavior. For example, if there is a platform which is socially conscious and they want to say that, okay, certain child, they can see, from whatever their AI deployment or otherwise, a certain child is undergoing, say, like conscious about weight or something like that, right?
Right.
And having some, like issues with the, the body, like body shaming and all that. Suppose
Yes.
that child has gone through, and the platform is really intelligent and recognizes that, they will want to avoid, they can watch that behavior and avoid showing, say, snaps or pictures or, things which are, of other people, right? Sort of, which will have a mental effect on that particular person,
Right.
right?
But
Now you're
you
really wanting to
yeah.
protect that child, right? But the way the law reads, it's little convoluted. So then the
Yes.
platform will have to justify that because I want to protect the child, I'm doing this behavior monitoring and targeted, content, right?
But my
So
question was actually making it very simple. From a very
yeah,
marketing point of view, right? I'm
so,
watching something. I love to eat chocolates. I mean, kids love chocolates. They may
yeah,
like to have some snacks. And now, how much of that will be? How do I
that will
really
not be
determine
allowed.
where?
To put it simply, that is not going to be allowed because then
Understood.
you're not protecting the child. I mean, I went a little overboard with the child protection thought process, but that exception doesn't apply, right? So the targeted advertising is not permissible.